My date of birth, 31st Jan. My sun sign, Aquarius. My aim is to aim the highest. My strength, my family. My weakness, love. My favorite line, love saves the day.
हाय, मैं हूं तराना और ये है लेट्स टॉक का वैलेंटाइंस डे स्पेशल एज यू कैन टेल विद दिस हार्ट शेप बलून इन माय हैंड। यू नो, हमने बहुत सोचा कि बॉलीवुड में वो कौन सी एक्ट्रेस है जिनसे हम बात करना चाहेंगे वैलेंटाइंस डे पर। नेचुरली इट हैड टू बी समबडी वेरी प्रिटी, वेरी बबली एंड आल्सो समबडी हु इज वेरी ऑनेस्ट। एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस जो कभी भी छुपाती नहीं है कि वो किसी से प्यार करती हैं। कभी भी उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं कहा होगा कि ही इज जस्ट माय क्लोज फ्रेंड। So we needed an honest, happy and very pretty actress, and the one person who came to mind was Amrita Arora.
Hello.
Hello, thank you for spending Valentine's Day with us.
Me your most memorable Valentine's Day. बहुत सारी बुरी memories भी associated होती हैं इस दिन के साथ, but हम happy memories की बात करेंगे.
Happy memories.
College के दिनों में maybe?
Well, yeah, college time was fun. I mean, it was like a scene to go to college on Valentine's Day, you know, कि कौन सी लड़की को ज़्यादा roses मिलेंगे, yeah, and who's gonna come away with the most heart balloons or the biggest bouquet.
Today, of course, she's winning because I think we have about 100 balloons in this room और ये सारे के सारे अपने साथ घर लेके जाएंगे.
And yeah, those were really fun, memorable times, but nothing too serious. And once I remember on one Valentine Day, one of the boys from class who never spoke to me.
Okay.
Gave me this bouquet that was taller than me. And I came home and my mother was like, "Who is this? And who sent you this?" And I was like, "I don't know. I really don't know." And you know, it's one of those moments when that geeky boy in class goes, "That was me. वो मैं था." And I was like, "Oh, okay." And nothing happened. I was like, "Thanks, but no thanks." So it was really sweet because it was like I was showing off. I told my friends, "Look at the bouquet I've got." And you know, it was really tall and poor thing must have saved for like 6 months.
हाँ, बहुत पैसे लगते हैं इतने
So that was, I think, one of the most memorable things I remember because of the bouquet that was taller than me.
And what has been the most disappointing one? Like, oh, Valentine's Day आया, मैं काम कर रही हूँ.
Disappointing one, I think, has been the first year with Usman because he wasn't here. So it was like really funny having a Valentine's Day on the phone. You know, happy Valentine's Day. And
To
of
you
course,
too. I love you too.
He sent me flowers and whatever, arranged everything with my sister and my mom and was surprising me every hour. So it was really nice, very thoughtful, but it was really funny that that no one was with me.
कितने सालों से you guys have been together?
We've been together now little over 2 years.
Engagement?
No.
Not yet.
बहुत काम करना है. काम बहुत करना है. I think I've got so much to prove and so much, you know, stuff that I need to do for myself before any sort of formal commitment.
But Didi, like Malaika to you, she's managed both. Like वो शादी भी कर चुकी है, एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत बच्चा है, and she's also working really well.
I know, but I guess multitasking पे वो अच्छी है. You know, she makes all that seem so easy, but for a person like me, I feel that no, it's come to the end of the world. If I get into something else, then it's like a full stop.
Okay.
So I like to take things at my pace.
Okay.
I'm young, still happening.
हाँ, she's a little baby and all, and we like each other too much क्योंकि हम दोनों Aquarians हैं. हमारे birthdays अभी 2 हफ्तों पहले गुजरे थे, so happy birthday to us. And,
Thank you.
You know, so I'm sure आप लोगों ने काफी सारे promos देखे ही होंगे इनकी नई film Red के, and you're looking very very good because बहुत ही अलग किस्म का makeup है, very intense and your character is very.
I think I've become the female Vikram Bhatt. I took inspiration from my director क्योंकि वो बहुत ही मतलब brooding और intense आदमी है. So he just told me, just look at me, see how I am. It's okay. So I think.
But that's very difficult for you because you can see कि इनमें बहुत life है and she's energetic.
It is very difficult. And when I heard the character, I was like, Vikram, why me? Why me? तो उन्होंने कहा कि you can't be so good, you know. Come on now, there has to be a lot of bad in you. So I was like, yeah, there is a lot of bad.
So you're the bad girl in the film.
It's very mysterious, very dark, very negative sort of character. And he was like, you know, you have to be totally convinced because the kind of body language you have, the kind of vibe you have, बहुत ही मतलब vibrant और बहुत ही bubbly है. To come into character and to look your part is half your problem solved.
Right.
You know. So when we were like researching on looks and all, my sister happened to come across this character. She was watching a movie और एक film था Katie Holmes के साथ. And normally she's a very pretty.
Tom Cruise की wife.
Yeah, Tom Cruise की wife. She's a very pretty, bubbly girl. But जो किरदार उन्होंने निभाया था in this film, it was a very dark character, completely gothic, dark eyes. So she quickly called me. She says, you know, your character in Red, I think should be exactly like this. And she's normally a very pretty girl, and if she can carry it off, I think you should definitely go for it. So then I saw the film and I thought, okay, black nail polish, dark eyes. That was my makeup person's idea, Malika's idea. She was like going for smoky eyes. The nose ring was Vikram Bhatt. So it was like a potpourri of everybody.
ये सबसे ज़्यादा different look होगा.
Oh yeah, it's a completely different. जो colors भी पहन रही है फिल्म में, it's very dark. Always black jeans or you know.
Because
dark
जो poster
skirts.
हमने देखा उसमें तो you're wearing some red thing
Yeah,
and all
that's
that,
like
and the leg is somewhere there.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite picture. And so yeah, it was quite difficult. I mean, she was a very, you know, always had this very brooding, very suspicious looking eyes. So it was really nice. It was very different to come on the sets or be completely different from what I am. So it was quite challenging.
And you're saying film काफी short है, so definitely हम देख सकते हैं without getting bored or anything.
It's definitely like about a 2-hour film.
Okay.
So it's quick, very fast paced. काफी passionate film है. It's an erotica kind of film.
Ooh, okay. And of course, Amrita हमेशा controversial films करती हैं because she's that kind of person. So when you come back break के बाद हम girlfriends की बातें करने वाले हैं इस Valentine's Day special episode में. लेकिन break लेने से पहले, like I promised you, we have a surprise for you.
Oh, thank you.
Ta-da!
Thanks.
क्योंकि उस्मान आज आपके साथ नहीं है, we've decided to give her her Valentine Day gifts, one at a time. How sweet it says I love you. And there are
Thank
chocolates.
you so much.
आप chocolates खाते हो?
I love chocolates.
Okay, so
I love chocolates.
So
yeah.
you take a break. आप भी chocolate खाइए, हम भी एक-एक खाते हैं. Please come back and watch our special episode.